If you want to show or hide your number or something found, so first of all, find your phone application right here. It may be at some other place, but it looks like a typical phone application, right? And in this menu, make sure to choose your keypad option. Find these three dots, tap on them, and choose your settings option. Alright, after that, we're gonna scroll down to our supplementary services. Choose this option, and here you'll have a couple variants. What we would need, give it a couple minutes to load up. Sometimes it may take some time, it's fine. So find your show your number option, show your caller ID option. And here you'll have three variants. Network default, never, so your number will be hidden and all calls will appear as private or unknown to the recipient, and always, your number will be always visible, overridden by network settings. So choose what you need. I will leave it in network default, however, if you don't want your phone number to be seen, simply choose never. And after that, simply exit these settings. Your result will be saved automatically. And that's it. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.